Do you ever feel like your brain won't just shut up? Like no matter what you do, there's always this endless streams of thought, overthinking, stressing, planning. It's exhausting, right? Well, turns out there's a way to slow it all down and actually take control of your mind. And no, it's not some complicated life hack. It's just mindfulness. Simple but super powerful. Our brain is like a crazy overworked computer, constantly processing, running a million tabs at once. And if we don't take a break, it crashes. Stress, anxiety, brain fog, all that fun stuff. But here's the cool part. Mindfulness isn't just about feeling calm. It actually rewires your brain. Like physically changes the way it works. Science calls this neuroplasticity. It's basically your brain ability to reprogram itself. So instead of letting stress and distraction take over, you train your brain to focus, to be in the moment. And when you do that, boom, better memory, clearer thinking, less stress. And the best part, it's very easy to start. I'll share 5 simple ways to practice mindfulness every day. No weird rituals, no sitting for hours like a monk, just real practical stuff. First up, mindful breathing. I know, it sounds too simple, but trust me, just taking 5 slow breaths, focusing only on your inhale and exhale, can actually calm your nervous system. Try it next time you are stressed, and you'll see the difference. Next, gratitude. I used to think this way like it was just another self-help cliche, but writing down 3 things you are grateful for, it literally rewires your brain to focus on good instead of always looking for problems. Third, single tasking. We love multitasking, but let's be real. It makes us worse at everything. Try focusing on just one thing at a time. We'll get more done, and your brain will thank you for it. Number 4 is put your phone down. I get it, we are all glued to our screen, but taking even a 10-minute breaks from notification and scrolling can rest your brain and bring back your focus. And the last one, meditation. Look, I used to think meditation was just sitting down there doing nothing, but it's actually training your brain to focus. Start with 2 minutes a day, no pressure. Just sit and breathe. So there you have it, 5 simple ways to start being more mindful. Try just one of these today and I promise you'll feel a difference. Let me know in the comments which one you are going to try first. And of course, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy way to level up your life.